Hey everyone, this is Dave again from wetflyswing.com, and today I'm going to tie a Disco Midge, the cool named Disco Midge, and we're going to be using a C49S mustad hook here, size 14. And this fly, I'm going to start back here. We're going to tie it without a bead, but you can use a bead for it. And I heard about this, well, obviously this fly's been around a while, but I was listening to a podcast, the Drake cast, and they, at the start, they have this thing that's like their intro music and commentary, and they basically, there's this guy that's just, there's a few guys talking on there, and you can see how I kind of clipped the, right there, clipped the hook point, but you can kind of work around that. But yeah, it's just really funny. You got to listen to it because the guy's like, I got me a Disco Midge, and it's just it's kind of funny. So that kind of got me going on this one. I was thinking about what to tie, but on this you go back and you see how I turned the hook. You don't have to do that, but sometimes if you just turn it, it allows you to go down here a little easy, because you want to go way down, about as far back as you can go here to start this, and come up here, and we're going to tie on, we're using red ultra thread size 70 denier, and we're just going to take one strand of pearl flashabou. We're using this stuff right here, and we're just going to take one strand and we're going to wrap this thing from the front here. I'm going to wrap it all the way to the back, covering up. See, I clipped it again there, but we'll cover all this up here. Just go all the way to the back with this guy. This fly is great because it's super simple. You can bust out a bunch of these, and then I'll go back forward. And then we'll just start wrapping, and basically you're just going to kind of cover the entire fly for the most part. See, I get started here. Turn this guy a little bit back. There we go. And this is kind of the trickiest part, but once you get it started on there, then you're good to go. And you can pretty much cover it on the body. It's okay if you leave a little bit of space in between, like a segmented sort of thing, that's fine, but you can see as covering it completely is totally cool too. You can see I'm kind of getting a couple segments in here. You can also do this with your finger to hold it in place. Once you get up front, just tie it off. Then we'll move our hook back up to that position. You can see how that red really shines through. So now we're just going to finish up the little tuft with peacock. You can just grab one strand of peacock here. You want to get, you want to get one that's not too fluffy, since we're using a size, not a super large hook. So we'll grab a little piece there, cut off the end, and then we'll just tie this on. We're just going to do, half a dozen wraps or so. This one, we're just going to wrap around. Make sure to get it nice and bushy, about like that. And then the other thing is to really cut this off and finish up the head. About like that. Coming around with the whip finish. Yeah, and these things, man, talk about getting some flies done. You can get some work done with these and fill up the box, and midges are awesome. They're good winter patterns for sure. Had a question this week about good patterns, and midges definitely are good winter patterns. So there you go. It's pretty simple. That's the Disco Midge. Got a little See a little frill here. We can just cut that off. There we go. So that's all there is to it. This is Dave from wetflyswing.com. Thanks for stopping by, and looking forward to seeing you on the next one.